Hi and welcome to Sedimentology Masterclass number 6. We are in Drumheller. We're at the world famous hoodoos, which are a sandstone outcrop here, and the geology is fascinating. So we're in an overall estuarine setting at the very end of the Cretaceous, and what you can see when you look at this outcrop is that at the base of the outcrop there are these grey mudstones which are marine in character. And then incising into them and overlying them we have around 15 meters of sandstone. The sandstone is dominantly trough cross bedded, it's got some organic material in it, and there seems to be a tripartite fill with a lower portion that's very clean, a middle portion that's more muddy, and an upper portion that's once again cleaner. So it suggests that we've got 3 parasequences filling in this estuarine valley. So the sandstone deposits pinch out as you come towards the south and towards the north, so the valley is running in an east-west direction. And what we're going to do is that we're going to zoom in and have a little look at the sediments that are filling this valley. We're standing in the middle of an incised valley in the Horseshoe Canyon Formation. The fill of the incised valley is a sandstone, and what we can see in the sandstone is that in this area here it's heavily cemented, and that cementation could be because of organic material or because it's relatively porous sandstone that's being infilled by calcite. If we walk over here to a less cemented area, what we can see firstly is that you have some trough cross bedding in here. So these would be formed by dunes that were on the base of our incised valley. If you can imagine, we're standing here in the valley with tidal currents washing in and out every 12 hours, high currents and lots of dunes on the base of the beds. What we also see here is these small mud clasts here which have been cemented up by ironstone, and those would have fallen off the banks of the channel and then been incorporated in the channel, and they're sitting here on these trough cross beds now. And overall the fill is pretty clean, so most of the fine material has been washed out of here, leaving us with a really beautiful reservoir sandstone. This would clearly be a good reservoir. And just before we finish, let's just have a look over here, and we can see that there's this fossil wood in here as well, which is probably a large log that was washed into the channel.